Well, we got the dryer bin opened up. Let's go shell some corn. Well, we're running. Got co-pilot here, Lucy. Yeah, it's 22%. I'm not sure on the yield yet. We're got to calibrate yet, so yeah, here goes nothing. Opening up this field over here. We're getting full, waiting on Alex with the cart. Here to the old shop, which is at my grandparents' house. Get ready for we're supposed to get our wheat in this morning, and then they're gonna take back all these empty boxes and pallets. So we got to move the 8270 and move it up and put it in the open front barn with the sprayer, and then we're gonna put the wheat there. Well, we'll go on and get this tractor pulled out of the way, and then we need to maybe clean up a little bit here where we're gonna put the wheat. Figured I'd put it back in this corner for now. I hope to start planting wheat here in a week or so. This is my 8270R, kind of dark, and 2014 model. I bought it last summer. Cab needs to be cleaned in this thing, but we plant beans with it and plant wheat with it, and anything else that needs to be done. So we'll go on and put it up in the barn up here with the sprayer. Well, we got our wheat in. Got 3 different varieties here. Time to start another day. So today's issue, problems with the auger tractor. So Alex went to take the 5125R down, put on the auger, meet Dad. So now we're gonna go on and dump the cart into the yellow truck, take the yellow truck down there and switch them out. Hopefully they'll be done and we've got a truck empty. Well, that was pretty brutal. As you can tell, I rarely run the cart. This is normally Alex's baby. We weigh every bushel through the cart, and we get a scale ticket then printed, and that's what we track all of our yields with for insurance, and so we know what we have in the bin. Hopefully I don't get this stuck here trying to drive one-handed. As good as what could be asked for. Well, we're down at the bins. Looks like they got the 5125 on the auger and got it going. So hopefully it won't be too much longer and we'll be back to running. Those darn rows, a shame, I tell you. I don't know what happened there. I think that I was squaring off my straight line when I was planting this because it wasn't the railroad track. The trees along it go in and out, so I was just kind of squaring up my line spring. Oh well, that's taken care of. Finally got this field the majority of the way opened up. So, well, this little piece, this field is, this farm has 4 fields in it. So they're all the same crop. Kind of got to hop patch to patch, and say patch. They're all pretty decent size. So, anyway. Good morning. We're headed out to check the dryer. See if it's done transferring. Well, it's a little foggy out this morning. Well, I guess it's time to fuel her up. So I want to tell you a little bit about our farm. Farm with my dad. My brother-in-law works for us. Couldn't do anything without both of them. We're running an 8-row 608C John Deere corn head on S670 combine. My 9230 is on the grain cart this year. We have a 9360R and a 9230. Dad owns the 9R, I own the 9230. We switch them off every other year. One runs the cart, one doesn't. We just do that to make the hours even for both of us on our equipment. I don't know, that's why. And we're keeping it away from a combine with 2 Max on 41-foot Wilson hopper bottoms. Hope that you guys enjoy what we got to show you, and if you have any other questions or want to see something different that I haven't talked about or shown you, just let me know in the comments. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we'll keep making the videos and bringing them to you. thank you guys for watching.